Hello everyone, I'm Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Here, as you know, we upload content about AI, and today I'm going to show you an artificial intelligence tool specialized in video. The tool is called Pixverse, and it gives you credits every day so you can use them. What is this AI based on? It's a video AI specialized in stylized content, anime, creative effects, and striking transformations. It's not the best option if you're looking for something hyper-realistic, but for visually catchy social media content, it's one of the fastest and most generous in terms of credits. It has viral effect templates that only require you to upload a photo with no need for any prompt. I tested it thoroughly and I'm going to show you everything. Stick around because we're getting started. Here you have the initial interface. I've already logged in. It's true that you have to sign in to be able to use it. And here you have, well, a whole range of options you can use. If you follow these steps and do it exactly like this, the video starts playing immediately. Now, well, let's take a moment to consider the specific prompt we gave the system, or rather the detailed phrase we entered into the input box, which was a beautiful anime-style girl walking gracefully under the falling rain in a sprawling, futuristic city at night, with bright neon lights reflected vividly on the wet ground, featuring vibrant colors throughout the scene, and the camera moving in smooth, slow motion. This detailed description helps the AI understand the exact mood, the complex lighting of the urban environment, and the specific cinematic style we are aiming for in this high-quality animation. I think it nailed it. It's really cool. It could look like it's from any series. I'm amazed by how the umbrella and the transparent cape she's wearing look. It's incredibly well done. And you saw, it created it for us in a minute. It's incredible. We can improve the quality, extend the duration, resize it, or modify it if there's something we don't like. It lets us do all of that. We can also publish it if we like it. So we have a ton of options. Now let's try out some new templates. This Born to be Strong one really cracks me up. So let's upload a photo of ourselves and see what it does. First, we upload our photo, confirm the selection, and then we hit create. Now, let's wait and see exactly what it does for us. The system is currently generating the image, and it's really exciting. So right here in front of you, you can see it completely transforms the structure of my face and essentially changes every single detail of my appearance to look much stronger. But I think it's really funny. I love this kind of stuff. Playing with AI is super fun to me. Let's check out a few more templates and play around with them to see what we get. I'm going to use a photo of my cat and turn her into a princess. I have a hairless cat that I adore. It's so funny to see her. You see her dressed as a princess. She won't let you put anything on her. Everything bothers her. Even if she's cold, she takes it off. Obviously, I've never put dresses on her, but it makes me laugh just to see her like that. Hello to all my haters out there, yes ma'am. Hello to all you haters, ma'am. I am finally back once again to that wonderful latest show. Honestly, I really do think that she looks absolutely adorable today. I really wish I could see her like that. I would love it. I think once again what I was saying is that we can do so many silly things with AI, so funny. Let's also try those viral ones where girls are caught in the stands without realizing it. Just to try it out. Let's see how we turn out. Let's see how I turn out. Well, that's it, we've got it. This is supposedly me. I don't know what you think. Now let's try with a beautiful beach background, with a super elegant style and dress. Here we have the result. Very much like an ad, very pretty, I like it. Lastly, let's try something a bit darker. It said, shadowy embrace. Some wings come out and wrap around you, black angel wings. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see. still makes me look sweet. I thought it would make me look more like, a darker presence, but no, I come out looking like an angel just with black wings. Well, that's it. You've seen it. I mean, Pixverse gives us a ton of options. More commercial options, more creative ones, drawing options, options to play with pets, all kinds of options, really. I mean, you can't run out of them. There are so many. I think they're super fun. There are tons of viral videos you can play with and you can create using your own image. It's true that it's not hyper-realistic. I mean, it does end up changing your face, and if you're looking for something that keeps your face exactly as it is, maybe this isn't the right tool. But, well, for experimenting, for playing around, for having fun, it has tons of options. You'll never run out. I really liked it. It's really nice that it offers 90 free credits per day. I hope you liked it too. If you try it out, I would love to hear your feedback, so let me know what you thought and which effect you tried. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.